Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to make a DIY body scrub for all skin type, and also if you're using any cream and they really want the cream to work for you, it's a very good idea for you to use scrub, just low cost scrub that you can make in your own home that won't cost you that much. Here I have a coffee here, and I also have sugar, brown sugar here. Here is a lemon. I also have a salicylic acid here, powder, and the liquorice extract. They help in lightening up the skin as well. And this one here too is for it skin very well. So, and I also have here lemon, it's fresh lemon, and I have a vitamin E capsule. You can have a vitamin E like the bottle, but I prefer using the capsule. That is what I prefer using instead of adding a glycerin. So I add the vitamin E on it. So now I'm going to show you how to add everything on it. First I add the coffee. You see coffee here. Then I already measure it out. Then I'll add sugar, then I'll add the, I see it here, it's already been measured out, the salicylic acid here. But if you don't have a salicylic acid, you can only use just a lemon and coffee. You don't need to add all this, but if you have them all at hand, you can also use it. Then I'll squeeze the fresh lemon. The 2 fresh lemon. Then I have here liquorice extract here. So with this one, lemon is very good. It contains vitamin E, vitamin C, and liquorice as well. So you can exfoliate your skin 2 times in a week or once in a week if you want to. See, and now I'm adding my I'm adding my vitamin E. Vitamin E. So I'm adding honey. So I'm adding honey on it. Also know that after you add all this, I'm making it like this. I'm not adding any preservative on this, and also no color, just the way it is like this. Use it to scrub your skin. Okay. Rest of it too. So after stirring it, you can see how it is, how competent it is. And please do not add any preservative or color or any fragrance on it. Just use it the way it is like this and scrub your body. So that's all I have to say about this DIY. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.